Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to change a water pump. First, start by removing the pulley on the water pump. Before removing the water pump bolt, use a paint marker and mark the surface of the water pump and the engine block. This will ensure that the new water pump will be installed in the same location. Next, remove the water pump bolt. Use penetrating oil such as WD-40 or PB Blaster and spray it on the water pump bolt if you have a hard time removing the water pump bolt. If the water pump bolts are rusted, you could always use a wire brush and clean up the water pump bolt prior to installation. Next, use a rubber mallet and keep tapping on the water pump until the water pump is out. As you can see, the water pump is not coming out, so it's time to go to plan B. Next, use a 1/2 inch extension and a hammer and keep tapping on the water pump going forward. Make sure to hit it gently because you don't want to crack the engine block. Make sure to take your time and don't rush it. You could also spray penetrating oil as necessary. So again, make sure to hit the water pump forward. As you can see, this water pump is extremely rusted. Next, use a razor blade or gasket scraper and gently scrape the old gasket material or seal. Make sure to do it gently because you do not want to scratch the water pump housing mating surface. This is a demonstration video, so I'm going to reuse the old water pump. However, make sure to use a brand new water pump for your vehicle. Next, use water pump gasket maker or RTV silicone and put a light amount on the water pump gasket or seal. Next, compare the old water pump and the new water pump. Make sure to mark the new water pump. Next, you want to align the mark together. Next, make sure to torque the water pump bolt by using a torque wrench. Make sure to use manufacturer specification and make sure to torque the water pump bolt in a star pattern. So that is a basic video how to change a water pump. I hope you found this repair lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.